Good morning, nursery class. Today is day 7. Please open your exercise book and page number 5. Page number 5. Write date CW and write on one dot. There is one dot, so you draw the line. And then start from here. Draw the line. Start from here, draw the line. अपनी पेंसिल उठा लें और now page number 6. Write date and CW. Here you learn how to write capital B on one dot. There is one dot. You start here, draw the line. इसी फॉर्मेट के साथ आपने अपने दोनों पेज डन कर लेने हैं. 5 and 6. This is your CW classwork and this is your homework. Page number 7. Capital B and small b write together. Now you know how to write capital B and small b on one dot. So you do your homework. Thank you, class.